Yeah, so I think I think I was not training hard enough,
Mm-hmm.
and I think sir has given me a lot of clarity about my game, about
Mm-hmm.
myself.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, like what are the shots which will help me in these situations, in these conditions? What are
Mm-hmm.
the shots which will help me for the other conditions?
Mm-hmm.
When I'm at my best, how will I respond to it? So I
Right.
think the clarity is something I think sir has really helped me about my game and about myself.
Okay.
So we had a chat like a normal, sir. I'm not feeling at my best.
Mm-hmm.
Like in the I just had one practice session and like
Mm-hmm.
so he told me one thing like what all matters is what you how you perform in the match. It doesn't matter whether you practice or whether you didn't practice. If you're
Mm-hmm.
ready from here, then nothing can stop you. So
Mm-hmm.
like I felt that it's okay if I apply myself better, like there is there is no stopping.
Mm-hmm.
So like when I went to the match, like first wicket fell in the first over, and then I was like I just felt like I was in the flow in that game. Like I didn't remember that I had a single negative thought or at any point I thought this can't be done.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah, so I think he has helped me through that. It doesn't matter if you're ready from here,
Mm-hmm.
then no one can stop you. I think I remember one thing he telling me and it has really helped me mentally is like I think against Mumbai I was we were in tough situations. Like before that I got dengue and that was the first game I was playing and I was not practicing for a week
Oh.
and so and then I think we needed 4 overs 50 runs something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Though we lost that game, I think just by 8 run margin, and we were chasing 163.
Whoa.
So, and I kept losing wickets from the other side, and but not a single point I felt that I can't do this. Like
Yeah.
he told me one thing, and I remember कि whenever the pressure situation comes,
Mm-hmm.
tell yourself that ये hero बनने का time है.
Mm-hmm.
And I kept telling me, oh, matlab, I smiled at situation and like, oh God, like I want this.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to be hero in this moment. Like, and I got some 72 not out against Mumbai. And that year, Mumbai went on to win the championship.
Oh.
So, like, you were playing against the best team.
Mm-hmm.
And that having that belief throughout that and not a, like, I felt I was in some other zone. Like, yeah, so I think that has changed the perspective to look at the situation.
Mm-hmm.
And I think for that I give credit to sir. Like whenever pressure situation comes, I smile and I say, "Boss, ये hero बनने का time है." I think he kept me in a really good space. Like for the RCB, like I was playing with RCB and I didn't got the first 6 games. And like
Mm-hmm.
I was sitting out, but I think it's more important when you are at your low that so
Mm-hmm.
at my low serve was there to pick me
Uh-huh.
up and to know that it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's a part of game. It's all learnings because that time you don't see it.
Mm-hmm.
Like looking back, I think that if I dealt with the lowest time in my life and then I can go through anything now. It's like
Mm-hmm.
that. So I think he was there during my lows. He picked me up. He
Mm-hmm.
has shown me the clarity because your mind is too clouded with the emotions that
Mm-hmm.
you don't have a clear vision about how to look at things. I think
Mm-hmm.
he gave me the clarity about how to look at things, and yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
can say that.
Okay.
I think it's hard to describe, but because actually there is nothing much going on.
Oh.
That's the thing about flow state. I feel
Mm-hmm.
because more times it's like you have to deal with the thoughts, like, and you have to tell yourself, no, you can do it, or you feel like अरे नहीं होगा तेरे से, then you have to fight with those thoughts. In the flow state, it just happen. You don't have to fight. You don't have to tell yourself. it's just a pure belief inside that's flowing, and that pure adrenaline that
Mm.
inside your head, you know you can do it.
Yeah.
You don't have to keep telling yourself, ho jayega, ho jayega, ho jayega.
Mm.
So I was feeling that, and I was just telling myself, boss, this is the time, boss, this is the time, that's all. Because everything was just happening automatically, I can say.
Mm.
There was no much like going on in my head.
Yeah, I know what you mean. No pinpointing was
Yeah.
happening. You were just going on.
Yeah, I can just say that it was a pure joy, or it's just like how you go in temple,
Yeah.
and after some point there is just silence between you and God.
Yeah.
So that is the flow state for me. So
Yeah.
there is nothing going on, but you know what's going on. How you work in the gym, you need to work on your mind as well.
Mhm.
Every day, every match. So as you are training for your body, train for your mind as well, and don't underestimate the power that mind does.
Mhm.
So as I told you, when are you in that flow state? Flow state is nothing but you working on your mind over and over again. So it puts you in the automatic situation when that situation comes.
Mhm.
So then you can just be yourself. So I think keep working on your game, keep working on your physical fitness, keep working on your mind,
Mm.
and there is no limits if you put your mind into it.